Are you mad? Do you want to kill me? I told you to slow down when throwing the bricks, but you don't listen.
See this one. If you cannot manage to work here, go back home. Using here is for small children.
Now what if you kill me?
Yeah, dude. Get out if you cannot manage. We start telling you here to bring someone else.
Okay, I got this. Bring it on.
Hey, you ready?
Very ready.
Azana. A few moments later.
Bro, I'm so tired. Make we slow down. Bro, I told you to slow down. I told you to slow down.